Good afternoon and welcome to Voltorian. Today we are going to look at one of our projects, namely the Happy Tourist project, which is designed to organize tours and also allows users to book and rent vehicles in Valencia. Now we are on the main page where we can see what services the company provides, what means of vehicles can be rented, and their costs. Available tours and what they include. Check out the blog page, which places you will visit during the tours. See the benefits of using this platform. You can also see the integration on Google Maps services in order to see exactly where the stores are located and possibly makes a route to a particular store. The whole project is adapted for mobile devices. There is also a blog page where you can learn more about the places and read articles. Now let's take closer to look at the booking process. It has two ways, tours and rental. Let's go through both. The first step is to choose a tour. We will talk about them in more detail when we consider the admin panel. Choose the language of the tour. Select the number of vehicles. You may notice that we have dynamically calculated the cost with discount based on the number of vehicles we have selected. Choose the day and hour of our tour, as well as the store from which we will start the tour. Fill in the contact information. We can notice that now the English language is selected on our site, but depending on the language we have selected on the site, after a successful reservation of the tour, we will receive an email in the language that was selected on the site with detailed information about the reservation. Now let's go through rental process. Choose the vehicles. Choose the rental time for each vehicle. Choose the date and time. Perhaps we don't know in which store it would be comfortable for us to take the vehicle, so we leave this field blank. Fill in the contact information. Done. Now let's look at the admin panel. On the main tab, we see a table of all orders with all information about the order. We have the ability to change the status of the order, filter them by type, by name, select a time period of or filter them by store. On the blog tab, we have the opportunity to create articles that users will see on the main page or editing existing ones. On the Vehicles tab, we have the ability to create a new and edit existing vehicles, set the rental price, as well as visibility for users. But let's talk in more detail about tours because they have the most opportunities for customization. Namely, the type of tour, its duration, distance, its color. It will look to the users. The list of languages for this tour. And we also have the opportunity to add what kind of vehicles you can choose for this tour and their cost. Thank you for your attention.